Hello everyone, welcome back to Layman Solution. In this video, we'll discuss what to do when you are unable to send photos on Messenger. Two things you should keep in mind before going for any other method are that you have a good network connection, and the second thing is your file size should be less than 25 MB. If these are not the issues, then you can try updating the app. Go to Google Play Store and in the search box type Messenger. Here you can see the update option. Click on it to update the app on your phone. So this was the first method. Now let us see if you have granted the necessary permission to app. For that, long press on the Messenger app. Click on App Info. Go to Permissions and click on Files and Media. Tap on the first option. Now the permission has been granted. Close this and head over to the Messenger app. Click on the profile option and scroll down to Data Saver. Make sure this option is turned off. Now go back and once again long press on Messenger app. This time we'll try to clear cache. Click on Storage and Cache. Click on Clear Cache and go back and click on Mobile Data and Wi-Fi. Make sure your background data option is on, like this. If it is off, then make it on. If it doesn't help, then you can try Force Stop. Click on the Force Stop option and head over to the app to check if the problem still continues. So if the problem still continues, then what you can do here is clear storage. You can click on Storage and Cache and click on Clear Storage. This doesn't delete any data of yours from the app, so you need not to worry about your information or data. You just have to log in once again. If you want to save info, then you can click on Save Info, your account name, so we are logged in once again. Now let us try sending some media. Click on Allow option. So you can see I am able to send media here. If you cannot send media, then click on the I option at the top. Click on Report Technical Problem. Here you can describe your problem briefly. After describing, click on Send option at the top. So these were the methods. Apart from all this, you can also try installing Messenger Lite. For that, go to Google Play Store and type Messenger Lite and click on Install option. After installing it, you'll be able to send media whenever you want to send. So these were the methods with the help of which you can fix the issue. I hope you liked the video. Thank you very much.